Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump drives in Space Engineers on Xbox. First, ensure your ship has a jump drive block installed and is connected to your power grid. Jump drives require substantial power, so verify your reactors or solar panels can handle the demand. Access your ship's terminal, locate the jump drive in the block list, and open its control panel. This is where you'll manage its settings and prepare for interstellar travel. Jump drives need to charge before they can be used, consuming a significant amount of energy from your ship's power supply. The more power you provide, the faster it charges. Your maximum jump distance is directly tied to this charge level. A fully charged jump drive can propel your vessel up to 2,000 kilometers in a single leap, allowing for rapid transit across vast distances in space. To initiate a jump, open the jump drive's control panel in the terminal. You can either manually input coordinates or select a target block, like a beacon, to jump towards. Carefully review the projected jump trajectory on your HUD to ensure there are no asteroids or other obstacles in your path. Once you're certain the path is clear, activate the jump sequence and prepare for a brief, disorienting transition to your new location. After completing a jump, your jump drive will enter a cooldown period and begin recharging, which can take several minutes depending on your power generation. When designing your ships, remember that jump drives are heavy and consume considerable power, so plan accordingly. For even greater range or quicker consecutive jumps, consider integrating multiple jump drives into your vessel, distributing the load and enhancing your exploration capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.